Let's make a crispy, crunchy okra or a lady's finger. It's very beautiful, easy, delicious recipe. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can serve for 5 to 6 guests. We need 500 grams of bhindi or okra cut into lengthwise strips. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of turmeric. 2 teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of amchur powder. Combine well and rest for 5 minutes. Basin flour 4 tablespoons. Rice flour 2 tablespoons. Coat well. Rest for 5 minutes. Give a quick mix onto a hot oil. Fry small batches at a time. In between, make sure they are separated, they don't stick like a lump. Add 1 piece of dry red chilies, few curry leaves. Fry until golden and crisp. Do this process all the time. Drain all the oil, remove it and set aside. Do the next batches same way what we have done before. Use always curry leaf and dry red chilies in between to get a beautiful fried bhindi. The noise, the whisper will tell you how crispy it is. Now just relax and enjoy. Don't miss out. Do give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. Recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? What about this one? Just